In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter Google Ads conversions in Looker Studio. Whether you're a seasoned digital marketer or just stepping into the field, filtering Google Ads conversions in Looker Studio can significantly sharpen your data insights and focus on specific conversion types. To get started, you'll first need to go to Looker Studio, simply navigate to their website, and log in with your account credentials. Once you're in, locate the Looker Studio report that you want to edit. This will serve as your canvas where you'll apply your conversion filters. Now let's edit your Looker Studio report and hone in on the chart or control to which you want to apply your filter. Head over to the Setup tab, which is conveniently located in the Properties panel. Here, you'll notice the option to add a filter. Click this button to proceed. This will bring you to the next step, where you can create your very own filter tailored to your needs. A filter allows you to sift through a myriad of conversion types and focus only on what's most relevant to your advertising goals. Be sure to name your filter descriptively. This is crucial for keeping your workspace organized and ensuring you can easily locate this filter later, particularly if your project involves multiple data streams. For example, you might name your filter Clicks for Directions, or anything that represents the specific conversion you're targeting. The clearer your filter name, the easier your future self will thank you for it. With your filter named, it's time to configure the filter condition. This is where you'll specify the criteria for what the filter will target. Look for the dimension labeled Segment Conversion Type Name. Selecting this dimension allows you to zero in on specific conversion actions that you've already defined in your Google Ads account. Here, you have a range of comparison operators to choose from. Contains, equals, or matches rejects are all viable options depending on your specific requirements, but contains is often recommended for its flexibility. It allows you to capture broader data points so you don't miss any important details. Enter the exact or partial name of the conversion you want to filter for. This should match how it appears in Google Ads. Attention to detail here will ensure your filter functions correctly. Once you've configured everything to your satisfaction, it's time to save the filter. This vital step ensures your changes are recorded and your report begins reflecting only the data you specified. Double-check your work to ensure everything is set up correctly. Saving the filter confirms that your setup is complete, and you can now enjoy a more streamlined and focused view of your Google Ads data. Filtering conversions in Looker Studio is a powerful way to make the most out of your digital marketing efforts. It allows for precision targeting and data analysis, driving better insights and results in your campaigns. Happy analyzing!